Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get back to the video. Today, we will be making teams. This is very easy to make. So easy that you just need to click a few buttons. First, add to spawns like I did. You can change and rename the spawns if you want, but it is not needed. Now go down to the Teams folder in Explorer and add 2 teams into it. Now go down to Properties and uncheck Neutral, change the team color, and check the Team Changing button for both. Now click Play and it should work. It works.